This is the intro to Project 3. First things first, we're going to talk about clipping planes. This allows you to slice your model open and look inside. So I'm just going to click in the perspective viewport and go clipping plane. Just type in one word, clipping plane. You can see it in the command line. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle, just like it says, just like it asks, in one of my side views, in this case my right view. Okay, and so what I did is I drew a plane, and you can see that it's right now cutting through my model and removing a portion of it as if we're looking at it in like a building section. So this is called a clipping plane. And, you know, again, it's just a plane. It has a direction to it. You can see here, this is the plane, this is the direction that it's looking. And so it's cutting out the rest of it, everything in the foreground, everything on the other side of the plane is removed. All right. And like I was doing with the gumball here, we can actually move the clipping plane back and forth, and the section cut will update in real time. And it's a plane is a plane, so it's a piece of geometry just like anything else. I can move it. I could also rotate it. Maybe turn on planar and ortho. Let's see here. And rotate. Let's see. Select the object to rotate, that would help. Right? And so suddenly it's moving in this direction, right? So that's pretty much it, except last but not least, there's some properties for the clipping plane that you can begin to adjust. So if I click on the clipping plane, I'm going to go over here to my right-hand side where I have layers and properties. I'm going to go to the Properties tab. You can see that underneath this tab, there's several different types of properties. So there's object properties, material properties. In this case, when we have clipping plane selected, we have clipping plane properties. And when under the clipping plane properties, I can do certain things. I can flip the direction of the clipping plane. So now we're cutting in the opposite direction. Right? Just by flipping this back and forth, I can toggle it forwards or backwards. And then I can also tell it which views to clip. So, you know, now I have it also clipping the right view and the front view and the top view, right? Or I can turn them off if need be. Okay, that's pretty much the basics about clipping planes. So in the next step, we'll draw a horizontal clipping plane and cut a plan through our model.